Do you believe you need an expensive gym membership to lose body fat? The real reason most people stay overweight isn't a lack of equipment. It's a lack of intensity, consistency, and strategy. Today, I'm going to show you the 6 best cardio exercises for beginners to burn fat at home without using any equipment. Exercise 1. Jumping Jack. Let's start with a classic, but just because it's a classic doesn't mean it's easy. Stand tall with your chest up and your eyes looking straight ahead. Jump while spreading your feet apart and raising your arms overhead, then immediately return to the starting position. Keep a comfortable pace and breathe in a controlled, steady rhythm. Exercise 2. Mountain Climber. Now it's time to pick up the intensity. Get into a high plank position with your hands directly under your shoulders. Keep your core tight throughout the entire movement. Drive one knee toward your chest, then immediately switch legs as if you're running on the floor. Avoid lifting your hips too high. That's the most common mistake. When your hips rise, your core stops working as effectively. Exercise 3. High knee squat. Now we're combining cardio with strength. Start by performing a squat. Push your hips back while keeping your knees aligned with your feet, then explode back up. As soon as you stand, drive one knee up to waist height. Repeat the movement, alternating legs with each repetition. This exercise recruits large muscle groups, increasing calorie burn while improving coordination and balance. Exercise 4. High knee skips. Now it's time to work on speed. Run in place while lifting your knees as high as possible. Pump your arms just like you would during a real sprint. The more actively you use your arms, the more effective the exercise becomes. Avoid looking down and keep your spine tall and straight. Exercise 5. Place jog. This one may look easy, but when you keep it going for several minutes, it becomes an excellent cardio workout for beginners. Jog in place at a comfortable pace. Breathe steadily while naturally swinging your arms as you would during a normal run, but don't keep looking at the floor. Stay tall and maintain good posture throughout the exercise. Exercise 6. Sprint. Now comes the most intense part of the workout. Imagine you're sprinting in a 100-meter race but without moving forward. Drive your arms and legs as fast as you possibly can. Give it everything you've got for a few seconds. This is where many people discover they're capable of far more than they ever believed. If you want more smart workouts, practical fitness tips, and real strategies to transform your body without excuses, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and leave a comment saying, "I started today." That commitment could be the very first step toward your transformation.